డాక్టర్ శివానంద్ గారిని 2 మాటలు మాట్లాడాల్సిందిగా కోరుతున్నాను.
He's a doctor by profession. He's an anesthesiologist.
Vedic Medana, my senior teachers, they are not exactly teachers to me, but teachers to my brothers, so obviously they are teachers to me also. And organizers, my dear participants, అందరు అలసిపోయి ఉంటారు, సో ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు టేక్ మచ్ టైం. సో ఈరోజు మీరు ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి వర్క్షాప్కి వచ్చి ఆంటర్ప్రెన్యూర్షిప్లో ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ మీరు వేసి, అందులో మీలో కొందరు ఐ వాంట్ టు విన్ ఓవర్ ద వరల్డ్ అన్నారు. ఎస్, అందులో ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఉన్న వాళ్ళలో చాలామంది నమ్మకపోవచ్చు, కానీ హీ షుడ్ హ్యావ్ ది సెల్ఫ్ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ దట్ హీ షుడ్ విన్ ద వరల్డ్. ఎస్, అండ్ హీ విల్ విన్ ద వరల్డ్, and he will win the world as long as he has got that confidence. So the same thing should be the criterion for everybody. So when you are doing something, when you want to venture something, first you have the self-confidence that you can do it. You do it, and then you have that confidence, and then you can start doing it. They say that Rome is not built in a day. So obviously మొదలుపెట్టిన ఫస్ట్ డే నుంచే జరగలేదంటే ఏది జరగదు. So you should have the first step, the next step, the succeeding step, and every step is a successful step for you. Okay? And when you have planned for something big or whatever you want, there is a plan for that. That plan contains number of steps. Every step is important, and have it in a stepwise ladder. You climb in a stepwise way. He can win the world, but not tomorrow. Even obviously he knows it that he cannot win the world tomorrow. Even the greatest people, like the richest man in the world now is Elon Musk. He has not become the richest man today, suddenly from yesterday. He had been working for last so many years. The same thing with all other people like Jeff Bezos or whoever it is. So when you have a plan, start taking steps in that direction with confidence, self-confidence, analyzing yourself, assessing yourself at every stage and at every step. Take corrective measures, keep going ahead. Okay? Thank you. All the best.